Dear students, we continue the concept of parabola in this session. Few results. The length of the tangent, length of the focal chord is a into t plus 1 by 2 whole squared. We discussed the previous class. Another form, the length of the focal chord having parameters T1 and T2 for its endpoints is a into T2 minus T1 the whole squared. A into T2 minus T1 the whole squared. If L1 and L2 are the if L1 and L2 are the length of the segments of a focal chord of a parabola of a focal chord of a parabola then its lattice rectum is 4 L1 L2 divided by L1 plus L2. The focal chord of the parabola y squared equal to 4ax makes an angle alpha with the x-axis is of length Fourier cosecant squared alpha. equation of tangent at x1 comma y1. Have a chord, have a parabola e of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2. To find the equation of first, you can find equation of chord AB using 2-point formula. In this result, if you take x2 as x1, y2 as y1, you can find the tangent at the point A. When the point P moving towards A and coincides with A, x2 becomes x1, y2 becomes y1. The equation of chord joining A and B, if you take x2 equal to x1, y2 equal to, you can find the equation of tangent at the point x1 comma y1. Equation of parabola. Tangent at x1 comma y1. For y squared equal to 4ax, the tangent is y1 equal to 2a into x plus x1. For y squared equal to minus 4x, y1 equal to minus 2a into x plus x1. For x squared equal to 4ay, x1 equal to 2a into y plus y1. X squared equal to minus 4ay, x1 equal to minus 2a into y plus y1. So find the equation of tangent at a point x1 y1 to any curve. We have seen the parabola, so I mean ellipse. Sorry, the circle chapter we discussed it, how to find the equation of tangent x1 y1. To find the equation of tangent x1 to any curve, replace x squared by x1, y squared by y1, 2x by and 2y by. If you replace these things in the given curve, you can find the y squared equal to 4ax. You can write y squared equal to 2a into 2x. In place of y squared, take y1. 2a into, you take, in place of 2x, you take x plus x1. You get this answer. Like that, if you take y squared equal to minus 4ax, minus 2a into x plus x1. If you consider x squared equal to 4y, to find the tangent, for x squared, you can take x1, 2a into 2y, that is y plus y1. X squared equal to minus 4y, x section equal to minus 2a and in place of 2y, y plus y1. If we count so y1 equal to 2a into x plus x1. So tangent x1 y1, normal is perpendicular to the tangent. You can find the slope of the tangent y equal to 2a by y1 into x plus 2a x1 by y1. This is slope of the tangent. Slope of normal minus yn by 2a. Y minus yn equal to minus yn by 2a into x minus x1. So 2ay minus 2a y1 equal to minus xyn plus x1 y1. So x y1 plus 2ay equal to or simply equation of normal y minus yn equal to minus yn by 2a into x minus x1. This is a normal. y1 equal to 2a into this is tangent at x1 y1, tangent at t, that is a t square comma 2at, y in place of y1 2at, 2a into x plus x1, that is a t square, 2a t will be cancelled, yt equal to x plus a t squared. That is equation of tangent at the point t. For y squared equal to 4x, tangent at t can be obtained like this. The same manner you can derive equation of tangent at the point t from tangent at x1 comma y1. Tangent at t. For y squared equal to 4x t, a t squared comma t represents a t squared comma 2at. Here yt equal to x plus a t squared. For y squared equal to minus 4ax minus a t squared comma 2at, yt equal to x minus, so minus x plus a t squared, minus x plus a t squared. For x squared equal to 4ay 2at comma a t squared. So xt equal to y plus a t squared. For x squared equal to minus 4ay, that is the point 2at comma minus a t squared, xt comma minus y plus a t squared. We should know equation of tangent in different forms concerning different parabola. y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to y squared equal to 4ax, then c equal to a by m. Y equal to is the result you can derive, but it's not necessary for you. Y equal to mx plus is a tangent to the parabola y squared equal to 4x. The condition is c equal to a by m. The point of contact a by m squared comma 2a by m. Suppose y squared equal to 4x, let y equal to mx plus b be a tangent at x1 comma y1, that is mx minus y plus c equal to 0, that is 1. Tangent at x1 comma y1 is y1 equal to 2a into x plus x1, that is 2ax minus y1 plus 2a x1 equal to 0, that is 2. 1 and 2 represent the same line. So 2a by, here the coefficient of x is 2a by m, here minus y1 by minus 1, 2axn by c. From this y1 equal to 2a by m, 2a x1 by c equal to 2a by m, which implies x1 equal to c by m. x1 lies on this curve, therefore y1 square equal to 4a x1. So in place of y1 we have 2a by m. So 4a by m square equal to 4a into c by m. 4a will be cancelled, 4a squared. So 4a will be cancelled, which implies c equal to a. This is a required condition that so c equal to a by m is the required condition that y equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the parabola. So we know that x1 equal to c by m. In place of c you take a by m. A by m by m, that is a by m squared. Here we have y1 2a by m. That is point of contact a by m squared comma 2 by m. So y equal to for y squared equal to 4x, y equal to mx plus c is a tangent if c equal to a by m. The point of contact is a by m squared comma 2a by m. We should remember. The same method you can derive conditions as well point of contact for remaining types of parabola if y equal to mx plus is a tangent. So y equal to mx plus c, in place of c you can write a by m. This will be tangent to the parabola for all values of m. parabola type. Condition for tangency. EQ means equation of tangent in terms of slope m point of contact. For y squared equal to 4ax, the condition for tangent is c equal to a by m. Equation of tangent y equal to mx plus a by m. Point of contact a by m squared comma 2a by m. So next concept, for y squared equal to minus 4x, the condition is c equal to minus a by m. Equation of tangent y equal to mx minus a by m. Therefore, here minus a by m squared comma 2a by m. Next, for x squared equal to 4ay, the condition is c equal to minus a m squared here y equal to mx minus a m squared. The point of contact two a m comma a m squared. Next, for x squared equal to minus 4ay, the condition is c equal to a m squared. So tangent mx plus a m squared minus 2am comma minus a m squared. Next, for y minus k whole squared equal to 4a into x minus h. The condition is c plus mh k equal to k plus a by m. So the equation of tangent is y equal to mx minus mh plus k plus a by m. The condition for the point of contact is h by a by m squared k plus 2a by m. For next, y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. The condition is c plus mh equal to k minus a by m. So tangent is here k minus a by m. Here point of contact h minus a by m squared comma k minus 2a by m. Next, for parabola x minus h whole squared equal to 4a into y minus k. The condition for tangency is c plus mh km minus equal to km or k minus am squared. K minus am squared. So tangent y equal to mx minus mh plus k minus am squared. h plus 2am k plus am squared. The previous portion 2am comma am squared that should be added with h and k. For x minus h whole squared equal to minus 4 into y minus k, the condition is here you should must have a plus m squared. The tangents also you should have plus m here. Here point of contact h minus 2am k minus am squared. If the line two x minus 3y equal to k, touches the parabola y squared equal to 6x find k. 2x minus 3y equal to k, which implies 2x minus k equal to 3y. Y equal to 2 by 3x minus k by 3. Y squared equal to 6x. Y squared equal to 4ax. Comparing with this 4a equal to 6, which implies A equal to 6 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is mx plus c. Y equal to 2 by 3 minus k by 3. Comparing with y equal to mx plus c, we get m equal to 2 by 3, c equal to minus k by 3. The record condition is c equal to a by m. In place of c, you can write minus k by 3, a, that is 3 by 2, m, that is 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, that is 9 by 4. K equal to minus 27 minus 27 by 4. The same manner, we can find condition for any given line. The line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p touches the parabola y squared equal to 4ax if a sin squared alpha plus p cos alpha equal to 0. A sin square alpha plus p cos alpha equal to 0. So you can derive as we did in the previous sum, always remember this as a result. Next result, the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 is a tangent to y squared equal to 4ax if a m squared equal to nl. The same manner what we did in the previous case, we can derive. The tangent to the parabola y squared equals ax makes an angle of 45 degree with x-axis then find its point of contact. Here m equal to tan 40 equal to 1. 4a equal to a. So a takes value a by 4. So point of contact a by m squared comma 2a by m. That is, in place of a we have a by 4 by m square, that is 1 squared, 2 into, in place of we have a by 4 by m, that is 1. A by 4 comma a by 2. Find the equation of common tangent to x squared equal to 4ay and y squared equal to 4ax. So slope m is positive, they are given. Equation of tangent to x squared equal to 4ay is y equal to mx minus am squared, which is of the form y equal to mx plus c. This also a tangent to y squared equal to 4ax. Therefore, minus am squared equal to a by m. Since c equal to, in the condition for tangent c for y squared equal to 4ax is c equal to a by m. In place of c we have minus am squared equal to a by m. So that m cubed equal to minus 1, which implies m equal to minus 1. So required tangent is y equal to, in place of minus x minus a. X plus y plus a equal to 0. Point of difference of tangents at T1 and at A21 squared, 2A1, A2 squared, 2A2, 2y squared equal to 4ax. Suppose P, let is the point Q. Tangent at T is yt equal to x plus it is squared. Tangent at T1 is yt1 equal to x plus a2 squared. Tangent T2 is yt2 equal to x plus a2 squared. One minus 2 gives y21 minus y22 equal to x minus will get cancelled, a21 squared minus a2 squared, y into t1 minus t2 equal to a into t1 squared minus t2 squared, that is a into t1 minus t2 into Tn plus T2, this will be cancelled. Y equal to A into Tn plus T2. Replacing value of y in this equation, A into T1 plus T2 into T1 equal to x plus a2 squared, a2 squared plus a1 t2 equal to x plus a2 squared. This will be cancelled. X equal to a1 into t2. So the point of intersection is a1 t2 a into Tn plus t2. Note, the GMF of geometric mean of the x coordinate of P and Q, that is root of A21 squared into A2, that is A T1 T2 is the x coordinate of point of intersection. Next, the aim of y coordinates of P and Q, that is 281 plus 280 by 2. A into T1 plus T2 is the y coordinate of point of intersection. Two perpendicular tangents of a parabola meet on its directrix so the directrix circle of a parabola is its directrix or tangents drawn from any point on the directrix to the parabola are always perpendicular. So we have seen this concept in circle also. Directrix circle, it means that locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. For circle, x square plus y square equal to 2a squared. We discussed earlier. The tangents drawn at the end points of a focal chord the tangents drawn at end points of focal chord of a parabola are perpendicular and they meet at directrix. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by three tangents to the parabola lies on the directrix. Angle between tangents at two different points on the parabola. Angle between tangents at two points (81, 281) and Q of 826, 282 on the parabola y square equal to 4ax is theta equal to tan inverse of T2 minus T1 by 1 plus T1 T2. So next session we are going to see about normals. We know equation of tangent. Consider the parabola y squared equal to 4ax. Tangent at x1 y1. y1 equal to 2a into x plus x1. y equal to 2a by y1 into x plus 2a x1 by y1. Slope of tangent (2a by y1). Slope of normal minus y1 by 2a. Equation of normal at x1 comma yn is y minus y1 equal to minus ym by 2a into x minus x1. Like that, normal at at squared comma 2at is y minus 2at equal to minus 2at by 2a into x minus at squared. 2at will be cancelled. Minus xt plus at cubed. Y plus xt equal to 280 plus 80 cube. This represents equation of tangent at x and y1. This represents equation of tangent at the point T for the parabola y squared equal to 4x. The same manner we can derive results for other forms of parabola, which can be discussed in the next session. Thank you.